Going to Asheville.
I want to go to Asheville.
Come on.
I can go?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to Asheville, North Carolina.
Let's go.
All right, we are headed to Asheville, North Carolina. And what's the name of the hotel?
Omni Grove Park Inn.
I've never been. Are we going to see the Biltmore?
We may see it. We're not going to go in it.
Okay. The Biltmore is the biggest mansion on the...
It's one of the biggest in the U.S.
Okay. I'm excited. I've never been. So, woo woo. Next, we'll be there. You're just not going to see the 4-hour drive of me sleeping in the back. Bye.
A few hours later.
Made it.
We have some.
We are here. I almost said the Greenbrier at the Grove Park Inn. I've always heard so much about it, and I've never been here. And I will give you guys a tour. I hope you're excited. Look at it, it's so beautiful. So cool. My high maintenance ass is trying to change rooms because this view sucks. I know. But we finally came here, and that's air conditioning units is not what I want to see at the Grove Park. I look like holy death. I've been up since 5 a.m. He woke me up. All right, so we did change rooms. This is actually room 7013, okay? This is the bathroom. Little bathroom. It feels so much better in here. I swear, room 7043 felt like a jail cell. Because there was zero view and it was weirdly cornered, so I do not recommend that room. I do not recommend that room. Now, when I talked to the guy downstairs from that phone, he was very nice and I was very nice, and he said he would meet us, and he never did. So we were sweating a lot in the hallway just right now, and my husband had to go downstairs and get the key. He got the key, but it was worth it because check out this view, okay? It was worth it because you got the mountains right there. You got the hotel right. I mean, this is the bomb view. Like, I honestly couldn't have asked for a better view. I'm sure there's better views, but this is like bomb for what I was wanting here. But I don't know if you could tell in that room, it was literally the side of a condo and the air conditioning units. So I try not to be such a high maintenance bougie girl, but that's just facts. I am. I'm sorry. I'll admit it. I'm a bougie bitch. Okay? But we're here. I got a question. How am I supposed to close this bathroom? I know this is an old hotel. I know, and that's fine. I mean, but they updated it. Like, it looks really nice, but like, is there a secret to this? Is there a secret compartment? I'm not putting my fingers down there, and I'm not putting my fingers up there. Who's calling? What do you want? What? I don't know why that's so creepy to me. Who is calling? Okay, good. I do just like I do with my cell phone. Let that shit ring. Let it ring. Right to voicemail. Okay. I'm gonna figure out this bathroom situation. Can you show me how to do that block one more time? Took him all of 2 seconds to do. We were gonna go sit on that veranda, but then we were also thinking, we have the best room. It's like we were sitting outside, but we're inside our own hotel room.
Yeah, we're inside.
And look.
Now it feels outside.
Now we're like, it's like we're outside. So nice.
It is.
Go me.
You're the best.
He was so mad.
I wasn't so mad.
He was so mad.
But we do change rooms a lot.
We only changed one time this time.
Here, this time. We have changed multiple.
But look at this view. Go back to the video. Go back to the part of the video where it was the other room, and you'll see it was like a jail cell.
I agree.
Okay, that was 7043. Don't go there.
It's right down the hall.
Right? 7043. And this is 7013 at the Grove Park Inn.